Once you have $20,000 in savings, do this before it's too late. Your $20,000 could be the launchpad to millions. Congratulations! You've crossed the $20,000 savings milestone. That's no small feat. But now the big question is, what's next? Are you going to let that money sit idle? Or are you ready to unlock its full potential? We're diving into 10 unique and rarely discussed strategies that could take your $20,000 and turn it into a financial empire. These aren't your typical investment tips. They're bold, ambitious, and designed for entrepreneurs who mean business. Let's get started. The clock is ticking on opportunities. Don't let this moment pass you by. 1. Launch a niche subscription box service. Everyone loves a good subscription box, but the trick is to find an underserved niche. Think of unique markets like eco-friendly pet supplies, artisan tools, or luxury office accessories. Initial investment $5,000 to $10,000 for inventory, packaging, and marketing. Potential monthly profit $3,000 to $7,000. Why it works. Subscription models create recurring revenue, and niche audiences are willing to pay a premium for tailored products. Pro tip: partner with small businesses to source unique products and negotiate discounts for bulk orders. Invest in an AI-powered content business. AI is revolutionizing content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and others, you can create blogs, social media posts, and even entire ebooks at scale. Build a content business targeting specific industries like real estate, health, or personal finance. Initial investment ranges from $3,000 to $6,000 for AI tools, a website, and marketing. The potential monthly profit can be anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. Why it works. Businesses are hungry for consistent high-quality content, and AI makes production fast and cost-effective. Pro tip: bundle content creation with SEO services to increase your revenue streams. Purchase and flip undervalued domain names. The digital real estate game is alive and well. Scour domain marketplaces for undervalued or expiring domains, then sell them to businesses or individuals looking for the perfect online identity. Initial investment ranges from $1,000 to $5,000. The potential profit per flip can be between $500 to $50,000. Why it works? Premium domain names are in high demand, especially for startups. Pro tip: focus on industries experiencing growth such as renewable energy, tech, or health. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Start a hyperlocal marketing agency. Local businesses need digital marketing more than ever, but many can't afford big agencies. Offer affordable services like social media management, local SEO, and email campaigns to small businesses in your area. Initial investment $2,000 to $4,000 for tools, a website, and initial advertising. Potential monthly profit $2,000 to $8,000. Why it works. You're solving a real pain point for local businesses by helping them compete online. Pro tip: create packages with clear deliverables and use case studies to build trust. Buy and rent out niche equipment. From drone cameras to three-dimensional printers, niche equipment can yield high rental returns. Entrepreneurs and hobbyists often need expensive tools, but can't justify purchasing them outright. Initial investment: $10,000 to $15,000 for purchasing high-demand equipment. Potential monthly profit $2,000 to $6,000. Why it works. Niche equipment rentals fill a gap in the market and provide passive income. Pro tip: target industries like wedding photography, prototyping, or event planning. Develop a micro SaaS product. Micro SaaS products are simple software solutions solving specific problems for niche audiences. Examples include tools for social media analytics or specialized accounting solutions for freelancers. Initial investment $5,000 to $20,000 for development and marketing. Potential monthly profit $5,000 to $50,000. Why it works. Subscription-based pricing creates predictable revenue. Pro tip: validate your idea with surveys or pre-orders before committing to development. Invest in fractional real estate. Platforms like Fundrise or Roofstock make it possible to invest in real estate without buying entire properties. Your $20,000 can be split across multiple projects, diversifying your portfolio. Initial investment ranges from $500 to $20,000, with a potential annual return on investment of 8 to 15%. Why it works. You earn from rental income and property appreciation without the hassle of direct ownership. Pro tip: focus on projects in emerging markets or areas undergoing redevelopment. Create a unique digital product line. Ebooks, templates, courses, or even digital art can be sold on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Target entrepreneurs with tools like business plan templates or marketing calendars. Initial investment: $1,000 to $3,000 for design, hosting, and advertising. Potential monthly profit: $2,000 to $10,000. Why it works? Digital products have low overhead and unlimited scalability. Pro tip: leverage social proof and testimonials to boost sales. Launch a YouTube channel focused on high CPM niches. YouTube channels focusing on topics like finance, real estate, or tech tend to earn higher ad revenue. Pair this with affiliate marketing and sponsorships for exponential growth. Initial investment: $2,000 to $5,000 for equipment and editing software. Potential monthly profit: $3,000 to $20,000. Why it works? Content is evergreen, and monetization opportunities are diverse. Pro tip: batch create videos to maintain consistency and save time. Build a specialty e-commerce store. Hyper-focused e-commerce stores catering to specific audiences can generate significant returns. Think artisan coffee grinders, minimalist tech gadgets, or luxury pet gear. Initial investment: $5,000 to $15,000 for inventory, website, and advertising. Potential monthly profit: $5,000 to $25,000. Why it works? Niche products allow for higher margins in targeted marketing. Pro tip: use platforms like Shopify and test ads on social media to validate demand. The $20,000 Catalyst. Your $20,000 isn't just a savings milestone, it's a golden opportunity to create wealth and freedom. The strategies above are just the beginning. Which idea will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.